Hello guys, welcome to section 3 of module 3, and this will be the last section for module 3. So in this section, what are we going to talk about? We're going to be talking about three things. The first thing is menu. How do we set our menu? Now if you notice, in the first and second section I never talked about the menu. How do we set our menu? I didn't say anything about that. Let me show you something real easy, guys. Let's go to this page. Good. Now this is the website we built. We didn't take much time, but then it's something for starters. So let's go back to this. Now, what is a one-page website? Remember, the website we built is a multi-page website. Let me show you. Go to FAQ. These are menus: home, FAQ, news, contact us. Let's go to FAQ. Now you see this is a page on its own. Good. Let's go to news. And okay, this is the blog page. I believe you've seen how we added this blog page. That's good. Okay, it wasn't changed, but that's by the way though. Let's come over here. Yeah, so what is a one-page website? As you all know, what we worked on in section 1 was a multi-paged website, which is why we were able to click any of these menus and it sends us to another page. But on a one-page website, you just have one page. Let's go back to home here. So on a one-page website, all you have is just one page, like just this single page you're looking at now. So there are no other pages, but then there can be, there will be menus. 1, 2, 3, 4 menus or maybe even as much as 6 menus might even exist. So what is the difference? The difference is in the menu setting. Good. So first of all, we already know what a one-page. I've explained what the one-page website is. A one-page website is a website with just one page. This website currently has 4 pages as seen in the menu here: home, FAQ, news, contact us. So any of this you click will take you to a new page entirely. Whereas in a one-page website, if you click any of this, it simply scrolls you down immediately to this section. Now, like I said, the topic here today on this is just the menu. So the difference between a one page and a multi-page is the menu. Let's go over to a WordPress dashboard and see how that is done. So first of all, to set the menu for a multi-page website, you go to appearance, you click on appearance, go to menus, loads, and here we are. Allow it load completely. Good, so it is. Now it's time to add our menus. Look at what we have here: home, FAQ, news, contact us. We're going to change that. So the most recent FAQ, contact us, that's not what we're going to use. We're going to use the view all menu. So we're going to click on check this, and add them all to the menu. Good. So you see, that is it. Now it's telling you where will these menus appear. Should it appear on the top bar, the main, or on the mobile option? Let's go back here. This is the main menu option, which is where it appears now. Now on the footer part, there's no menu here, but most times I like my menu on the top and also at the footer part. So I'm going to check main and footer, and probably mobile also for those who would like to check one or two things and on mobile phone. So we save this. And it is saved. Almost. Good. Now remember, we have home, blog, contact, FAQ. You see, it was rearranged. Most times Okay, it's good depending on how you want it. All we have here is home, FAQ, news, contact us, and then there was no menu on the footer. So we refresh this. And you see it has changed to home, blog, contact, FAQ. Good. And right now, look at this. The menu has been set to the footer. The reason for my decision of putting menus in the footer is just because at times, if you're not using a sticky header, most times you have to pay for that. But you remember, this is a website we're building with free tools. If you're not using a sticky header, you might get to the bottom and you just click or go to any of the menu options from here instead of scrolling back to the top again. But if you want to scroll back to the top, you can just simply use the scroll to top menu and it takes you up. So this is it on how to set your menus for a multi-page website. So the next thing we're going to move into now is we're going to convert this website to a single paged website. So let's edit with Elementor. Good, it's almost here. Good. It's here. So that is it. Now we're going to assume 3 of those pages to be something here. Good. I'm going to open my notepad. Good. So that you're going to add the anchor button, anchor widget. Now the menu anchor. So sorry, I think skip my mind. You drag the menu anchor, drag it in anywhere. Maybe let's keep it here. And then it says the ID of your menu anchor is services. Good. Oh, service. That is it. We're going to use this part as our blog. Search for menu anchor again. Bring it in here. And use it as a blog. Then come down here and use this as your contact page. Drag your menu anchor. The dragging at times is like something. Contact. Good. So let me recap. In trying to convert this website to a single page website, the first thing I did was go to the widget area. The most important widget here is the menu anchor widget, which is this at the top. So you drag it and place it wherever it is in the section you want to use. And so this is the menu anchor icon, indicating it's here. It's here also, and then it's here also. So we update. This is the first step. The second step will take us to our WordPress dashboard. Where we have to go back to Appearance, click on Menus, and delete all this, because for a single page website we won't be needing them again. delete, 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 and delete FAQ also. So I believe you remember how we made our menu for this multi-page website. So to make your menu, or to create your menu for a single page website, you use the custom links option. So this, use the custom link option. So here we just have services, contacts, and did I forget the third? But let's just use this to do services. Now in the URL you put your hashtag services, add to menu, good, contact, add to menu, hashtag about, and about, add to menu. So for the single page website we just have 3 menus. This is it, all checked, and then we save. It's done. So we go over to our URL again. Now let's check it. So you see we just have services, contact. You can still rearrange these things. Okay, let's rearrange it immediately. Good. So about has to come first, contact last. So we save. Just click and drag, nothing much. So we come over here, we refresh, and it's changed. Now it's time to show you the difference. Remember the steps we took to get to this place? You click on about, good. Turns out only the service button works, but then you've just seen the about and service buttons are not okay. Wait, let me check something. I think there was a mistake somewhere. Services, yep. So refresh this again. And click on the service. You see, moves us to this. So you see the difference now. Instead of going to another page, you just segment your first page into whatever it is you wanted to have, and then contact. Good. You see, this is the difference between a one-page website and a single-page website. Nothing much, nothing more. So that is it with this, guys. I believe this module was eye-opening. It was a long class, but I believe we all learned. So see you in the next class.